Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is in English for grade 5 and we are learning unit number 12 and its title is Over-the-Counter Medicines. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan or PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver the lecture according to this lesson plan. So what we will learn today in our lecture number 10, we will learn about writing skills. We will learn how we can develop a paragraph. Okay, before in English for grade 5 in unit number 9, Son of Motherland, my dear students, already we have learned that how we can write a paragraph. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. And today we are going to learn further. Analyze a simple paragraph to recognize that a paragraph comprises a group of sentences that develop a single main idea. So today we will get about this SLO, that how a paragraph comprises on different parts and related with a single main idea. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah At-Tawbah, verse number 122, they could devote themselves to the studies in religion and admonish the people who they return to them, that thus they may learn to guard themselves against evil. So my dear students, this beautiful verse is giving us message that how we have to devote our life to seek guidance. Okay, so how we can get grip on our religion. Okay, and how we can save ourselves from evil things like doing wrong things. How we can save ourselves? There are different strategies and given in Al-Quran. We can get guidance from Al-Quran, the book of Allah. Okay, my dear students, so this is a beautiful message for us that how we can guide ourselves against evil, against how we can save ourselves to do wrong things. Have you got, my dear students? Okay, so let's see that what is a paragraph and what are the important features of a paragraph. What is a paragraph writing? Already we have learned a lot, so share with your teacher. Welcome back. Excellent job. Good job. So let's see what is a paragraph. A paragraph is a series of meaningful sentences that are organized together and related to a single topic. So, okay, my dear students, a paragraph is the combination of different sentences. It may be comprises on 5 to 6 sentences, okay? And these are linked together and they develop a single main idea. Keep remember, my dear students, these are not paragraph that if you will get any 5 sentences and you will get into the shape of paragraph, so this will be not a paragraph. A paragraph always follow a single main topic sentence. Got it? How we can say? I am going to give you 3 parts are there. It's topic sentence, it's supporting detail, concluding sentence. Topic sentence is always the first lines of the paragraph about which we are talking. Supporting supports the detailed all and concluding means it closed the last paragraph. Let's see I am going to give you an example like read there. Canada is one of the best countries in the world. So my dear students, this is our topic sentence. Okay, now we are going to develop a paragraph. So this is our topic sentence. What is our topic sentence? Canada is one of the best countries in the world. Now let's see how we can get its supporting detail. Let's see. Why it is? Canada is an excellent healthcare center. All Canadians have access to medical services at a reasonable price. It has a high standard of education. Students are taught by well-trained teachers and are encouraged to continue studying at university. Canada's cities are clean and efficiently managed. Canadian cities have many parks and a lot of space for people to live. Got it, my dear students? So why Canada is one of the best countries in the world? These all sentences are supporting the main idea. Got it? There is no other information in these lines. These all lines are giving us about details about Canada. Have you got that? That's why such type of related sentences are called supporting detail about topic sentence. So last one, what is concluding sentence? What is our conclusion? As a result, Canada is a desirable place to live. So this is our concluding sentence. That is, this is the last part of the paragraph. Okay, let's compile that paragraph, my dear students. See in this way. Have you got that? This is our topic sentence and all this is sporting detail. Okay, my dear students, and the last one is these are concluding sentence, and in this way we can get a paragraph, a meaningful paragraph. So this is a meaningful paragraph now. Got it? Because these all are related and these all information is supporting the topic sentence, single main idea. Is it clear, my dear students? Good job. So let's perform an activity. Yes, my dear teacher, you have to get students into groups, give them tasks to read out the third paragraph of Unit 12 on page number 98. Identify topic sentence, supporting detail and closing sentence, then share your information with your classmates. Got it? This is, okay, that you have to see which is its topic sentence and which are the supporting details. Pause the video and perform this activity in your class and then come back. Welcome back. Excellent job. Now you are able to get that how we can identify a topic sentence and its supporting detail. So do that on page number 108. There is question number 14. You have to write some sentences in the shape of paragraph, how we can keep ourselves safe from sickness. This is your today's work. Individually you have to perform in your class, in your notebook. Pause the video and do this activity in your class. Welcome back. Excellent job. Good job. So what's your homework? In homework you have to do this project, my dear students. On book there is given, make a poster of over-the-counter medicine. Internet you have to search and you have to get pictures and label. This is your homework for today. And this is worksheet. You have to write a paragraph how you have spent your summer vacations. Got it? My dear students, you will fill this worksheet for your paragraph writing. So what we have learned today, what is a paragraph and its different parts. We also got knowledge that how we can organize a meaningful paragraph for better understanding, and in this way we have covered up our this SLOs, my dear students. I hope today's lecture you have enjoyed a lot. So tomorrow with a new lecture we will meet soon inshallah. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.